Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add filigree sidebar text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add filigree sidebar text box in this document. Go to the insert menu and we can see here many options. We find and select the text box option and we can see here many text box. We find and select the filigree sidebar text box. Here the filigree sidebar and we click it to insert. Now we can see we insert the filigree sidebar text box. Then move it text box top on the page. Click and drag on our mouse to move it. Now we can see we move this text box top on the page. You can edit text. Click the sidebar title and edit title. Otherwise write anything. You can apply more style. Click the text box and go to the format menu. Then select the style drop down menu, then choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.